Hello, and welcome to the Ola Driver onboarding video. Before we get you on the road, there are a few things we need to tell you. First, let's talk about the Driver Partner app and how you get online. You'll be using it for every journey, so it's important you know what everything means. If you haven't already done so, download the Ola Driver app from the App Store or Play Store, depending on whether you're an iPhone or Android user, and enter the phone number registered to your Ola account. The app will then ask you for an OTP, or one-time password, which can be sent to your phone via SMS. Once you've completed these steps, you can start exploring. When you're ready to get online and start earning, you'll need to switch your status from offline to online using the toggle at the top of the screen. This allows you to start receiving ride requests. As a request comes in, some helpful pointers will appear on your screen. For example, the ride distance, trip earnings, and the destination address. You can choose to either pass or accept it. Now it's time to head to the pickup location. You can tap the link to open other map preferences such as Waze to find the quickest and easiest route. Then as you arrive, tap Reached Pickup. If your passenger is not waiting, tap on their name in order to contact them. Once you've met the passenger, ask for their start code, which you must enter into the app before starting the trip. When your passenger is belted up and comfortable, you can get underway by swiping Start Trip. Be careful to only swipe once though, as doing so twice could accidentally end the journey. You might also find it beneficial to check whether your rider has a preferred route before setting off. If you ever need to deviate from the given route, clearing it with them first helps to avoid bill disputes and other bumps in the road later on. When you reach the destination, swipe the toggle that says End Trip. The fare total will appear and you'll be given the opportunity to rate your rider, factoring in things like wait time and politeness. Oh, and don't forget to check the back seats and boot for any items that may have been left behind. If an item is left behind, contact Ola support who will try to connect you to the rider. If a rider contacts you about an item, you should try to arrange its return directly to them. If all else fails, drop it into the Ola office for collection at their convenience. Done with driving for the day? Remember to switch your status to offline so you no longer appear available. This way your acceptance rating won't be affected. You may find that every so often a rider wants to make a pit stop. Maybe they'd like to grab money from a cash machine, a bottle of wine to take to a friend's house, or another passenger en route. This is what we call a multiple stop booking. If you get a request for one of these, here's what to do. Accept the booking as normal, tap on the location information to see if more than one pickup is needed, then swipe to start your trip. When you've made it to your first destination and picked up your passengers, you can press Continue Trip for information about the next location. Just keep following these steps until you've reached the final drop-off, and if any of your passengers want to change their location, ask them to do so via the app, and this will reflect on your screen. You must wait for 2 minutes at each location. There may also be times when you need to cancel a booking. For example, a passenger no-show. On arrival, if you can't locate your passenger, try to reach them using the contact feature in the app. If after 8 minutes there's no response, visit the menu at the top of your booking screen where you'll see an option that reads Cancel the booking. Make sure to record the cancellation as a customer-related issue. If you need to cancel for any other reason, you can choose the most appropriate option from our menu. You can visit our driver website to check our cancellation policies and see which instances might incur a fee. With Ola, all earnings are paid the next working day, and you can check your income at any time by going to Accounts in the app and using the handy tracking feature. You'll see a list of options starting with Current Balance. This tells you the total earnings of today, and tap to show a breakdown of your net earnings per day, including ride payments, rewards, and bonuses. Earnings history shows an overview of your daily statement as well as each trip taken on that day. Next, you'll see Bank Transfer, which will show the breakup of your payments that are daily transferred into your account. If you're looking to boost your earnings, Ola have plenty of rewards and incentives on offer. To familiarize yourself with our Rewards tab, go to the Ola Driver app and choose Rewards, where you'll be able to see which incentives are running and also track your rewards payments. Any rewards or bonuses earned will be automatically credited to your account within 3 working days of completing a target. Another great way to increase your earnings is by picking up peak price rides. Not familiar with the term? Well, let us explain it in the simplest way we know. More people and fewer cars equal, you guessed it, higher prices. When the demand for rides is greater than the cars available, that's when peak pricing comes into play. You'll see peak areas marked on your map, so be sure to look out for them. It's important to remember that you will need to be within the peak area when you accept the job to receive the peak pricing. The price displayed in your driver app may also differ from that displayed in the rider app. When something goes wrong, we know there's nothing more frustrating than a lack of immediate support. That's why Ola Care is available on the app through the FAQ section whenever you have a question or need help. Should any of your documents need updating, you can upload these in the self-serve area under the More section in View Profile. Do make sure the pictures are clear and include all 4 sides of the original document.
You can also call or email us using the information provided on our website. Happy driving!